Hey everybody, I'm going to show you really quick how I made my video. So first I just made a Google slide presentation of things I wanted to tell my students. So like my Google Classroom codes, a little bit about me, and then I did like how to communicate with me, what I use for communication. And then when you're done with your Google slide presentation, it doesn't have to be fancy. I just use a template that I found online that had all this like furniture and stuff like that. And I'll make sure I'll include a copy of this presentation. So if you want to use this for yours and like change some things up or use it as a template, feel free to use this one. Um, so after I did my Google slide presentation, then I clicked on Screencastify, or you can use Screencast-O-Matic, whichever one you're more familiar with. And when you click on this icon, after you've downloaded it to your Google Chrome, you're going to click Record, and then see it tells you how long I've been recording so far. And then when I'm done recording the presentation, I'm going to click Stop. So what I did was I just presented my screen, and you'll see that I've disappeared for a second, but when I click on Exit Full Screen, you'll see my face pops up in the right corner. And so now I can talk along with this presentation, and you can also see my face in the bottom right-hand corner. Now when you're done, you'll click Stop Sharing, and then I'll show you a video of what to do when you're done sharing the video.